Find and replace is a very handy technique indeed. But it gets that much more interesting when you combine it with some imagination. However, before we get all creative, I would like us to establish a few ground rules. Whenever you do find and replace on large files, it is preferable to carry out operations on the active worksheet only. Please use the entire workbook option just in situations when you are absolutely certain that this is the specific replacement you would like to do, and you have thought out carefully whether something could go wrong or not. Second, if you would like to apply a find and replace on a specific area of your worksheet, then select that area and go ahead with the find and replace. Only items found within the area of the worksheet that was selected will be replaced. That's quite useful to know, right? Instead, if you select a single cell only, find and replace would be applied to the entire sheet or workbook. And of course, we could opt for matching the entire cell contents when finding and replacing, in which case Excel will only replace cell content that is an exact match of what you are finding for. To give you an example, if I have indicated that I would like to find the number 9 and replace it with the number 8, but we have a cell reference D8, Excel isn't going to consider this an exact match, and hence won't replace a part of the cell reference only. Instead, it is interested in finding an exact match. Unticking this option allows us to make partial replacements. So, in this case, the reference to D9 is going to become D8. See? Find and replace is ideal for situations when we would like to replace references of a formula and do so consistently throughout our workbook. Several external sheets were imported to this workbook, and we have references pointing to the original workbook that these sheets came from. Find and replace allows us to look for such references within formulas and then replace them with whatever we want. In this case, I have the same sheet within my current workbook, so I would like to simply replace all external references with no text at all. Once I do that, the external references will start pointing to the source sheet contained in this workbook instead. I believe this can be a very valuable lesson to many intermediate and advanced Excel users out there. Keep up the good work, and thanks for watching.